So as you can see here, it's going to display the equivalent currencies, the equivalent cryptocurrencies here. All of the currencies converted into USD. So the Bitcoin here is for 54,431 USD. So now what we want to do is that we want to display that in JSON. Instead of using here text, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this text and then I'm going to say JSON. JSON and then brackets, because this is a function. Now if I save and refresh, guess what? I'm gonna get the data. I'm still gonna get the same exact data, but now in a JSON format. And as you can see the difference, JSON format is much easier to read and much easier to go through the data. As you can see, it here displays the keys. The keys are rates, privacy, and other keys, success, target, and it's also displaying the currency, the value pair. So the currency, for example, Bitcoin. Let me show you the Bitcoin here. Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now at this moment is 54,435 USD. So this is just awesome, and this is how you can make requests and get data from this service.